all of a sudden, pinapalayas naman na.
Oo. And yun, there
that.
is some influence that happened at yun nga yung asawa.
Well, what's influence?
Yun nga, na-influensyahan siya. Yun.
Spell influence.
Influence. Just kidding. Okay, so you have answers to the topic?
Yeah, we got some more answers.
Okay.
Let me check. Okay. Sabi niya, isa lang ibig sabihin nun, magaling siguro yung wife niya.
Nabaliw ang lolo mo.
Kaya di niya pinapakawalan at yung anak dahil against, ayun.
Yes.
Ganun ginawa
Actually,
niya.
hindi natin alam. Baka sinabi rin nung girl na palayasin mo yung mga alam mo, there's an influence somewhere. Oh.
And sabi pa niya, anyway, I don't know what really happened, kaya bahala sila.
Kano?
Yeah.
Kayo naman nagtatanong lang naman kami. Okay.
Eto, sabi naman ito, hello DJs, nakakainis lang yung mga ganong magulang. Anak ngayon, dapat ikaw na magulang ang unang makakaunawa sa anak mo bago ang ibang tao. At sabi nga po nila, tumatandang paurong. Sabi niya ni Shirley Grace of East Bahak-Bahak. Wow, okay. That's a good one.
Yeah.
Okay, sabi naman ito, ako DJ, baligtad naman yung history, mas kinampihan yung asawa kesa anak. Kaya ayun, hanggang ngayon, parang may gap between them. Hirap ng ganong sitwasyon, kaya para sa akin, sa kanila na lang yun. It's none of my business.
Yes.
Sabi ni Paul.
Kayo naman, nagtatanong lang kami.
What's your take on the story lang naman?
Okay.
Here's one more answer. That is so wrong, DJ.
Yeah.
Never mong palalayasin ang anak mo dahil kahit anong mangyari, anak mo yan. Pag may masamang nangyari, ikaw pa masisi.
Of course.
Dahil pinabayaan mo.
Of course. But, you know, Megan is like 35 years old and even his husband, I'm sorry, ano ba yan? Nalilito ko sa tense. Her husband lives in the same, kumbaga yung buong pamilya.
But anyways, it was Ka Freddy who asked them to live there in the first place.
But you know, you also have to look at the other side. Yung asawa ni Megan walang trabaho.
Yeah.
Well, you know, there are you know,
on that part, parang mali din yun, di ba?
Yes.
You're the man, go look for a job.
Yes.
Provide for your
may
family.
May kanya-kanya rin silang misgivings actually.
Pero if I'm the dad and I got a few millions, ba't ko naman pagkakaitan yung anak ko na who has no one to turn to?
Well, there's another side to that.
Yeah.
Siyempre gusto mong matuto din yung, kasi may sarili ng pamilyang, and being the dad and being the guy, makikita mo yung asawa ng anak mo hindi naghahanap buhay, palamunin.
Ba't galit ka?
Hindi naman. No, I mean, you know, parang if I were the dad and nakita ko na yung asawa ng anak ko wala namang ginagawa para you know, to help even me, to help me. The dad na para alam mo yun, para mas maaliwalas naman ang pagsasama at you know, we can be, you know, para may harmony. Kasi alam mo, I'm gonna ask you kung ganun talaga, kung ganun. I mean, kung ikaw ay mabuting ama at nakikita mo hindi mo naman pinalalayas ang anak mo. And then you're gonna see this guy na asawa ng anak mo, na tatay ng mga apo mo na walang ginagawa
to help
at
to provide
to provide, walang trabaho for the longest time at nagpapaporma lang. What will you feel?
It will piss me.
Of course.
Totoo yun.
Yes.
It's a natural reaction ng mga
So there's another side to the story kasi. Kaya gano'n.
Pero it has...
Remember the guy, Megan's husband, that does not have a job. Kaya gano'n.
Okay.
Okay, anymore.
So since we're running out of time, siguro let's finish the text.
Oo nga.
A few more texts. Sabi nito, hi DJs, pag-greet po ng Calderon family and sa best friend ko si Christy Joy ng Kalapakuan. Pa-request na you're still the one, but we're out of time already. And one more, hi DJs. Okay, same message.
Yes.
And this one says, right.
Alam mo, meron din dito,
meron pa? Okay, we got some more answers.
Sige, one last. Sabi
we still have time.
Ang inyong lingkod, kababawan ang palayasin ng anak dahil sa gulay at kababawan din ang lumabas sa media dahil sa tingin ko may ibang malalim na dahilan kung bakit lumabas si Megan.
Yeah.
Isang mababaw na issue na dapat pinag-uusapan na lang ng pamilya, yung asawa ni Megan should provide for his family.
That is so true. That is so
true.
correct.
That is so correct.
Ang ganda ng
Ang galing,
sagot na yan.
ang galing.
Ang inyong lingkod.
Yes. You're so
Yung
right.
pangalan ng
Oo, ang galing mo, bigyan ka ng jacket.
Ang inyong lingkod. Alright, good point.
Okay,
good point.
so I think we don't
Hey,
have any more
yeah, we're out
time.
of
Thank
time
you so
already.
much for listening and, participating in the topic of the day.
Thank you,
Okay.
thank you.
So, what?
Some of the OPM hitmen are here na raw, sabi ni Sir Mike.
Oh, really?
And they're listening to us right now.
Oh my God! Hi, Chad! Hi, Ray!
We don't know who's there already, but yeah, we're gonna mention
Really?
their names. Sir Renz Birano,
Renz-
Sir Chad Borja, Sir Randy Raimundo,
yes.
Sir Richard Reynoso.
Uh-huh.
Hi to you guys.
Hi to you guys.
It is an honor
And
for
we will
us.
see
You guys are
you
listening.
here in the station.
Yeah.
Okay, so, yeah.
Mamaya, may motorcade. So everybody
Oo.
watch out for that motorcade.
Everybody in
Sa San
Subic Bay
Roque
Freeport, Olonga po, and Zambales and Bataan, come over to Subic Bay Freeport and
Yeah.
see the four, iconic guys in this parade.
Okay, mag-motorcade sila.
Magmo-motorcade
Starting
sila.
point is
And we
at
will
the San
join
Roque
them
Chapel.
also.
Ayan.
Okay, so that's it for us. We're gonna leave you now with, oh my God.
What?
It's
Oh my
very
God.
related to our topic of the day. This song coming from Queen. And, this is called Too Much Love.
We'll kill you.
I'll kill you.
Click enable first.
Oh my God, okay.
All right, here's our last song. Enjoy.
Okay, and that's it.